Hi everyone! Today we'll make a simple necklace with candy wrappers and cotton string. You can use this same chain technique to make a tote bag, a purse or other DIYs, but this is probably the easiest one to start with. Let's start by making a candy wrapper chain. Besides candy wrappers, you could use some other rectangular pieces of paper. They could even be from old magazines. First, smooth out the wrinkles and fold the wrapper in half the long way. Open the fold and fold both sides into the middle crease. Then fold both sides into the middle again. And fold the wrapper once more. Next, fold the wrapper in half the other way to create a V shape. Unfold it and fold both sides into the crease in the middle to create a smaller V shape. Repeat this step for more wrappers and then start linking them together. To link two folded wrappers together, put the ends of one V in through the holes of the other V. Continue the chain by always putting a new V-shaped wrapper through the last one you added. And here's the tip. Pay attention to which way you're adding the new folded wrapper to the chain. It will either make continuing the chain difficult or much easier. This is hard to explain, but it will make more sense when you try it. I used 16 candy wrappers for this one, but you could use more to make the necklace wider or less to make it smaller. After finishing the chain, I turned it into a necklace by adding a cotton string. I cut it 56 centimeters long, plus a few extra centimeters for tying the string at the ends. Test it in front of a mirror to see how long you want the string to be, but make sure it at least fits over your head, unless you use a jewelry lock, in which case you can make it shorter. I'm not using locks or jump rings, so I'm just tying the string to each end of the chain with a couple of knots. Cut the string close to the knot and try to move the knot inside the candy wrapper so the necklace looks neater. If you want to try making more necklaces with recycled materials, watch my tutorial on making paper bead keychain necklaces. And remember, you can use the candy wrapper chain technique to make other crafts like a bracelet or a bag. For the bag, you need to make circle chains and attach the chains together by sewing. If you're new to my channel, I post a new video every Friday. Usually it's a speed painting or art tutorial or something else art related, but I make DIY tutorials like this one from time to time too. Thank you so much for watching and see you again next week. Bye!